Maharaj Kumar Saratchandra, who identifies himself as the surviving second son of the late Maharaj Bodhchandra, the last ruler of Manipur, has written an open letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking urgent intervention in the ongoing situation in Manipur. In the letter, he urged the Government of India to fully implement the provisions of the 1949 Manipur merger agreement, alleging that several commitments made under the agreement remain unfulfilled even after more than 7 decades. Saratchandra expressed concern over the prevailing law and order situation in the state, alleging that illegal immigration, drug smuggling and poppy cultivation have contributed to the crisis. Referring to Article 8 of the merger agreement, he claimed that assurances relating to public services, employment opportunities for Manipuris, and protection of the state's social, economic, religious, and customary practices have not been adequately honored. He also raised historical issues concerning the merger of Manipur with India and the Kabo Valley. In his appeal, Saratchandra urged the center to identify and remove illegal immigrants, conduct NRC with 1951 as a base year, rotate central armed police forces periodically, and take effective steps to restore peace and normalcy in the state. The letter concluded with an appeal to the Prime Minister to act swiftly to address the concerns raised and ensure justice and lasting peace for the people in Manipur.